Hi everyone, do you want to turn off active status on your Instagram account? How to turn off active status on Instagram. When you turn off your activity status on Instagram, other users will not be able to see when you were last active or if you are currently active on the platform. It will also hide your activity status in direct messages. So let's get started. How to turn off active status on Instagram. Launch Instagram on your Android device. And go to your profile at the bottom right. Tap on the three lines at the top right. And go to Settings. Now, tap on Privacy. Scroll down and click on Activity Status. Now toggle the Switch Show Activity Status. So this is how to turn off activity status on Instagram so that nobody can able to see when you were last active or if you are currently active on Instagram. But remember, since this is a two-way feature, so you won't be able to see other users' activity statuses. This means you won't know when your friends and the users you follow were last active on the Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then join us clicking on the subscribe button below.